Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. Thanks for joining me for today's update. If those who've been following this video series, I've been updating the portfolio on a daily basis, basically documenting an investor's journey through the crypto world through a cycle. So welcome to today's update, and I encourage you to stay to the end because after the update, I always talk about something of interest. But before I continue, it's very important for me to mention the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor or financial planner. I'm not an accountant or CPA. So make sure you do your own due diligence, your own research, and always remember regarding investing, there's always an element of risk. There are always risks involved in investing. So never invest more money than you can afford to make. So with that said, I'm going to share my screen and do today's update. So this is a spreadsheet that I use. Got three main columns: the altcoin, Bitcoin, and the totals. And the red and green is great. Green is when it's moved forward and over the previous day. Red is when it's moved backwards. So we go forward and backwards, and we get plenty of those, as you can see. We've just had some really gone backwards 4 days in a row overall. So let's see where we are today. I think it may have been a little bit forward, but let's see. So today's date is the 30th of September. And that's really going to be tied to the subject I'm talking about after this update. So we'll get the figures from this page here, which coming from a live feed into an asset group, and I get the final figures here. So this portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and an assortment of specially selected, researched alternative coins apart from Bitcoin, known as altcoins. And then we've got the Bitcoin, the altcoins, and the totals here. Left-hand side, we've got US dollars, right-hand side, same portfolio, just in British pounds and pound sterling. And this is percentage split. So you can see I put majority of my money into the altcoins. So the figure I want here is this updates every 10 minutes. I better be quick. 130,126.44. Great. 130,126.44. Got that right. Perfect. What was that? So that is up on yesterday. So that's 3,606 up on yesterday. So I can color that green. And totals 173,106.15. 173,106.15. Remember, check on that right. Perfect. And that is, what's that? It's 4,000. This was up 4,803. That's based on yesterday, over yesterday. Bitcoin was up 1,196. So that's this part of the video update over with. So what I want to talk about is, the trend that we're going through, the trends that we're going through at the time of year, this time of year we're going through as well. So tracking the trends, from 2014 to 2015, even 2013 actually, 2016, the end of the month, these are kind of the trends of how Bitcoin has actually jumped, okay, through different price actions. Okay, at the end of the month, it's ready, poised to go to another level. So these examples, 2015, 2016, went to another level after at the end of end of September, beginning of October, it was poised to go to another level. These particular times it fell. 2020 it took off as well around the September, October mark. So this is important, but what I want to go into a bit more detail is actually to understand and appreciate the price of Bitcoin. Actually, before I go Anyway, so back in snapshot for 2013, at the end of the end of September, Bitcoin was only $137. Can you imagine buying Bitcoin for $137 and 34 cents? That would be amazing, wouldn't it? With a market cap of just over 1 billion, 1.6 billion. Okay, those are the early days. And so you need to appreciate the journey of where things are coming from and where things are going, and put things into perspective. I like to look at this once in a while. 2014, roughly to the end of September. I don't actually have the 13th of September, but this is the last day I have in September. Bitcoin was $377.18 with a $5 billion market cap. Okay, and note at this time there was no Ethereum. Ethereum didn't exist. Okay, no such thing. And but this was 2014, and towards the end of September. And then 2015, you can say welcome Ethereum. But yeah, Bitcoin was $232, went down a bit, but at the same time that a year later, $232.76, with a $3 billion market cap. And we can say, well, welcome at Ethereum was like 72 cents. Can you imagine Ethereum at 72 cents? Okay, but 2016, as things started to move up on a bit, Bitcoin at the end of the last week that we have for Snapshot, Bitcoin was $600.83 with a $9.5 billion market cap. Ethereum was $13. So you should appreciate where things are coming from, where things have come from, how far it's gone. I think and you need to understand that a decade from now, it may not be this small in terms of the comparison, but there's going to be a massive difference, and people wish they got it for today's prices, even a fraction. So 2017. September, Bitcoin was a massive $3,682.84 with a $61 billion market cap. Amazing, amazing. Okay, Ethereum had moved to number 2 and it was $282. So things are really hotting up, and appreciating the journey. 2018. Bitcoin had moved to $6,625.56 with a $114 million market cap. 14 billion. These figures. Anyway, a lot. Okay, so it's really, pumping steam now and moving in momentum. And in 2019, Bitcoin was $8,000. Towards the 29th of September, we had Bitcoin at $8,000, $8,104, and 145 billion to million, gosh, a lot. Pronounced, yeah, 145 billion. 590,374,680 and 61 cents market cap. And Ethereum was like 170. And last year, towards the end of September, Bitcoin had reached the $10,000 mark. It was on its way back to its previous all-time high of $20,000, 19,000 something, but $20,000, with a almost 200 billion market cap. That was, roughly a year ago. And can you imagine how far things have come now? What are things now? What do we have now? We have basically Bitcoin is now 43,000 with an $800 billion market cap, 811 billion market cap, and it's going to reach that 1 trillion again. It's hit the trillion mark before, and it will get there again. But understand where things have come from. It's a long way from September 2013 at $137, you know, to $43,000. So appreciate the journey, guys. Don't just get caught up in what. Appreciate the journey. Appreciate where this thing is going. Be in no doubt where this whole crypto thing is going. It's only going in one direction. That is up. To put a final point on it. Okay, only going in one direction. That is where's that picture gone? That is up. It's only gone up. Okay, it's getting down, up, up, but at the end of the day, the direction has always been up. So dollar cost average is one of the most safe ways of investing, and show you how the results of what you can actually get when you do that. You can watch my free training. Let's click on this thing. Go to this website, IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. Scroll down to this little form. This little form here, and get your millionaire mindset training, which is priceless, and investment strategy free. And that will show you how to take advantage of what I've just talked about. Okay, apply it, put it in place, and then you can send us an email to find out more about our altcoin strategy. But I just wanted to just go over, I like to take time once in a while to look at where we've come from and so we can see where we're going. And we're doing real good. So no matter what happens, no matter what's in the news, and the end of Bitcoin, it has gone through, weathered many, many storms to get where it is. Okay, many, many storms. So have confidence in that this is this is something whose time has come. And you've just seen the growth. So have confidence and don't be afraid to invest in something that has proven itself. Basically, it's really proven itself. And the numbers speak for themselves. It's not my opinion. The numbers, men lie, women lie, but numbers don't lie. Okay, so you've just seen that. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video, so that hit the notification button so you can get notifications when I bring out another video. And also, so that YouTube's algorithm can share this with more people and help the channel grow. So thanks very much for watching. I want to really thank you for your time and attention. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful and fantastic time. Fantastic day. Bye.